Dear students, today I shall teach you about equivalent fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, and an important property. So first of all, I would like to tell you about equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. A given fraction and the fraction obtained by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number are called equivalent fraction. Understand? तात्पर्य ये है कि दिए हुए फ्रैक्शन को और उससे जो फ्रैक्शन ऑब्टेंड होता है, जब हम उसमें उसके न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं या डिवाइड करते हैं, तो सच टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस आर कॉल्ड इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. थ्रू एग्जांपल आई वुड लाइक टू अंडरस्टैंड यू. फॉर एग्जांपल 2/3. This is the given fraction. If you want to make the equivalent fraction of 2/3, you can multiply it by the same number. Are you seeing here? 2 is multiplied by 3, also 3 is multiplied by 3. Both numerator and denominators are multiplied by the same number, and the result is 3 2 is 6 and 3 3 is 9. These both fractions are called equivalent fraction. I want to give an example for dividing the number. Suppose that here is 12 by 16. The given fraction is 12 by 16. If I will divide this number by 4, denominator also divide by 4. Here also you can see 12 is divided by 4 and 16 is divided by 4, and with the same number. So the result is 4 3 is 12 and 4 4 is 16. In this way 3 by 4 and 12 by 16 both are equivalent fraction. Understand? Now I want to tell you about like fraction. Like fraction. You can say समान भिन्न. समान भिन्न, और इसको कहते हैं समतुल्य भिन्न. समतुल्य भिन्न. ठीक है? तो like fraction, fractions having the same denominator. Fractions having the same denominators but different numerator. न्यूमरेटर अलग अलग हो लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर सेम जब होते हैं, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस आर कॉल्ड लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. फॉर एग्जांपल 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. Here you can see numerators are different. Here you can see numerators are different but denominators are same. This type of fractions are called like fractions. Next fraction is unlike fraction. Unlike fraction, इसको हम कहते हैं असमान भिन्न. इसको क्या कहते हैं? असमान भिन्न. असमान का मतलब जो बराबर ना हो. फ्रैक्शंस हैविंग डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर्स. फ्रैक्शंस हैविंग different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 4 by 9, 5 by 13, etc. Here you can see numerator and denominators in every steps they are different. Here numerator is 2, denominator is 5. Here numerator is 3, denominator is 7. In this way, you can see in every steps numerator and denominator both are different. So such type of fractions are called unlike fractions. The fourth step is an important property. What is an important property? Important property में if we will going to multiply the given fraction with the same number in numerator and denominator, the result will be also equivalent to the given fraction. Understood? For example, 3 by 4 is given fraction. If we multiplied it by the same number, here you can see 3 is also multiplied by 2, 4 is also multiplied by 2. So you will get the 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8. In this way, 3 by 4 and 6 by 8 has the same value. Its value is not changed. 3 by 4 and 6 by 8 both have the same value. It doesn't change. This type of property is called important property for fractions. Now I would like to give some homework today. Student, please solve these given homeworks. First, convert this into improper fraction. 4 whole 2 by 3, 3 whole 6 by 7. How will you change this into improper fraction? You have to do yourself. If you will be unable to solve it, I shall again solve this through the blackboard. You can see through the video. Second question, pick out like fraction from the following. Some fractions have been given below. You can choose the like fraction from given fractions. The third one, convert into mixed fraction. First 38 by 6, second 47 by 7 and third 19 by 5.